Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. Make sure to turn those post notifications on so you won't miss out on my videos. As you saw in the description and the thumbnail, I'm going to be showing y'all how you use your phone as a webcam. And in this video, I am going to be showing my webcam. So let's get into today's video. So the first thing you want to do is go to Microsoft Edge on your computer and type in iRoo webcam. And once you have it downloaded, this is what it's going to pop up. And the next thing you want to do is download iRoo webcam on your mobile device, whether it's from the Apple Store or the Play Store. So yeah. And once you have it downloaded on your mobile device, it's going to show you a screen, and it's going to have a green dismiss button. Go ahead and click that. Then it's gonna show something. Hey guys, welcome. And so yeah, it's gonna show you some letters and stuff, and then it's gonna show your face on your phone first, then it's gonna pop up on your screen. So let me show you how I have the webcam here on OBS. So I'm going to show you first on Streamlabs, because you can see Streamlabs. You can't see OBS because I'm recording on OBS. First, to add a display capture, you want to go to Scene, press the plus, then go over to where it says Display Capture, add source, done. Then you want to go over to the source again. Then we're going to go to Video Capture, add source. Then it's going to show you this. Mine's iRoo camera. And there you go. It's basically the same thing as OBS. So, yeah, you can make it a different size. I'm putting my size like that. Like that. Sorry, guys. Oh. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Hope you have a great day, great week. And yeah, subscribe, like, and comment down below. Make sure to turn those post notifications on so you won't miss out on my videos. Peace!